Hello there! Welcome to another STEM vlog, and I'm here for the new session of our Foodie Monday. So I know some of you are already bothered with their waistline getting wider and tummy getting bigger. Yes, I know, because during this quarantine, food is life and you always feel hungry, right? But I have something special to offer that will make you full, easy to make, healthy, and also diet friendly. So what are we waiting for? Let's quickly see how to do it. Today I'm going to show you how to make apple smoothie with chia seeds. And that's it. And the most important ingredient of our smoothie, we have chia seeds. So chia seeds are full of nutrients and they are power-packed with omega-3. Excellent source of fiber and protein. And if we will add this to our smoothie, we will be making our smoothie a superfood for ourselves. And for the last ingredient, we have water. So we will put water, and it's up to you depending on your taste if you're gonna put more or just a little. And now we're just gonna blend away. Yummy! And that's our apple smoothie with chia seeds. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our Facebook page to watch plenty of fantastic videos. And that's all for today. See you on our next STEM vlog.